Hello and welcome to NFTWZRD.
NFTWZRD is a bidding bot that helps you place bids on multiple NFTs with more efficiency. NFTWZRD has two parts, generate token and bidding bot. Today we will be giving a quick overview in the bidding bot. The Wzrd-bidding-bot is a desktop application that runs on Mac, Windows, Linux. The bot is using Opensea's official SDK APIs and helps you place multiple bids with 100% efficiency. As you can see, we deal in all the currencies, wETH, Gala, Mana. In time, you can enter time from 15 minutes to 6 months max. Later on, we will be giving an overview on Underbid and OutBid as well as ETH cap and the other functionalities. Now let's do a quick test run to show how the bidding bot works. We will get to Underbid and OutBid later on, along with ETH cap. First, we'll go directly to Opensea. You can choose any collection you like here. Simply copy the collection's URL, paste it right here. You can add any range. Now we can add range from 1000 to 2000, which means our bot will be bidding on 1000 NFTs. The default payment token is wETH, but you can choose any you like here. You can add time from 15 minutes to 6 months. Right now we can add time for 50 minutes. You can click on create, simply press enter. You can add any bidding price you like here. Press submit. And here you can see our bidding has started. We can click on the URL to check the activity on Opensea. And as you can see here, 0.001 ETH, about an hour. We can click on the wallet and check the wallet's activity. And as you can see here, our bidding bot is bidding instantly with 100% efficiency. And you can check the speed of the bidding right here as well. Now let's talk about OutBid and what it does. You can choose any collection you like. Repeat the same process. Add any range. Now what the OutBid will do is it will look for the highest offers placed on the specific arts and it will outbid it by any percentage you like, whether it be 5, 10, 100, whatever you like. And what ETH cap is ETH cap is the maximum capacity of your bid. If your outbid exceeds ETH cap, then your default bid will be placed. Let's take an example. We can look at this art. As we can see right now, the highest offer on this art is 6.64 ETH. If we choose 5% outbid, then our bot will increment the 6.64 ETH by 5% and bid the place accordingly. If, let's say, your ETH cap is 7 ETH and your outbid exceeds 7 ETH, then your default bid will be placed. In case any specific art does not have any current offers, then your default bid will be placed. Now on to Underbid. What Underbid does is it looks for the current price on any specific art and it will underbid it by the percentage you choose here. For an example, let's choose a different art. As you can see, the current price for this art is 93 ETH. So our bot will decrement it by the percentage you choose and it will place the bid accordingly. If your underbid is not under the ETH cap, then your default bid will be placed.